This week on Dude Stuff.
Right guys, what's going on? So I'm here today with Rob from DreadFX again.
How you doing, all right?
He's brought me another sick bit of artwork. I'm so lucky to have Rob as a very talented friend. Absolutely a massive fan of his work. Anyway, today I'm going to be testing this beast out. What do you think, mate?
Absolute beast. Really, really well built.
Rob's very impressed with it. It is chunky, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a quality bit of kit.
So this bike is another one from Lankeleisi that you guys know, watch the channel. I'm quite a big fan of Lankeleisi. They do some real good quality bits of kit. And everything they've sent me so far has sort of been up to that level of just being really good build quality. This is one of the ones I was looking forward to testing because not only do I like Lankeleisi bikes, what I've seen so far, I love dual motor bikes. This probably isn't my style cup of tea, if I'm totally honest. I've never been a fan of this kind of single bar frame of bikes because I thought they look a bit, I don't know, like weak, but I can assure you, seeing this in person, it ain't the case at all, is it? It's
solid.
Really, really solid bit of kit, really good welding on it. I've got no doubts that this bike's very robust, but we're going to get out today to test that. I just can't get over like the amount of equipment it's got though. I mean, how many bikes you know that are folding, fat tyre, dual motor, full suspension, and just got all the bells and whistles on it. You've got motorbike style front headlight, luggage rack, rear light, nice colour display, Shimano gears. I mean, I'm going to go through some of the more of the specs when we get out on the road on it, but yeah, just blown away by the amount of gear you get on it. Let's see what this is all about then. So, from what I know, this is dual motor and it'll work on either single front motor, single back motor or dual motor. So we're not going to mess around, we're just going to go straight for the dual motor, obviously. So plus to get into level mode 5, and then I think you hold your finger on either the plus or the I button. You hold your finger on the plus button, dual BR. Dual BR. I know, BR was brake because I wasn't braking. I know I'm doing honest. It just says dual. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Whoa. 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 Do you reckon it's even possible to do dual wheel burnouts, or is it too much traction? No, because I'm gonna end up doing it on the grass and I'm gonna covered head to toe in mud before I've even started this review video. It's not gonna do it on tarmac, is it? Whoa! Ready? Whoa! I hit the curb. Let's try that again. Almost. You know, I want a complete circle now. I've committed to it. Whoa! Was that a 360? Was that... I've got to go again. Whoa! Bloody hell! Whoa! It's a little bit it's a little bit lively, mate. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa! The problem is, it starts to lose traction, but when it gets traction, it kind of just slingshots you forward. It's a lot of fun. Do you want to have a quick go? Whoa! I've gone dizzy. Is it me? It felt really fast compared to a normal donut. I went a bit giddy. It's actually a lot of fun. Oh, one more time. How many rotations did I get? Really? You sure? Whoa! Right, dry wheel donut. Can I do one 360 dry road? This is a serious, honest review for practical reasons. What do you reckon? Good consumer advice? Buy the Lankeleisi if you want to do dual motor 920s, is it? Yeah. You was a skater, weren't you, back in the day? Was you a skater? A little bit. Was that a 920?
Getting on there.
Oh dear. Should we do some normal stuff for the sensible people watching? Let's go. Actually, people might want to know this. Do you reckon, like, so if you push the plus button, single front, so for anyone wanting to know, it will do dual motor burnouts, front motor burnouts. Oh no, maybe not. You might struggle with a back motor burnout unless you put the front wheel against something, but for those of you out there looking to buy a bike to do burnouts and donuts, so far so good. Guys, I've got, at the moment, I'm giving away a bike again on my raffle. I'll put the link up on the screen now. It is the best odds that there's ever been. There's barely, at the time of doing this video, a week left on it, probably less by the time you see this video. And it is on £200 of entries, so at £2 an entry, it's currently on 100 to 1 odds of winning a £1,500 e-bike. So if you want to win yourself a brand spanking new fat tyre folding e-bike for £2, now is the best time to do it. So head on over to raffle.com/dudestuff and get your entries in, because someone is going to get an absolute bargain. Right, so what do you think of this bike then, guys? I'm really impressed. I am really impressed. It has got literally everything that you could want on an e-bike. I mean, it folds. If you need it to fold, it folds. If you need it to carry thing, you got a luggage rack. You know, if you need it to rip to go up hills, or because you're a heavy rider, it's going to do that. You know, you got you know, all your pedal assist. You've got I don't know if it'll come out on camera from this angle, but you've got headlights, motorcycle style headlight up front, rear light on the back. You've got brake lights, Shimano gears, hydraulic brakes. It just goes on and on. So the spec of this bike power wise is 48 volt. You've got a Samsung cell battery, so you've got high quality Samsung branded cells in the battery. 20 amp hours for, you know, really good range. Yeah, you've got a real good decent range battery. 48 volts, which is gonna probably net you close to 30 mile an hour unlocked. This bike comes into the UK locked. If you do wish to use it off-road or whatever, you're from another country, this bike's going to do about 30 mile an hour, which is, you know, maybe a little bit over, which is kind of about average for a 1000 watt 48 volt hub drive e-bike. The torque from the dual motors is probably going to give you sort of maybe 1 to 3 mile an hour at a guess extra top speed, where it's got more torque against the road resistance and weight. Yeah, so power wise, you're running 1000 watt hub motor on the front, 1000 watt hub motor on the back, and as you can see from the little burnouts that I was doing on it, it makes a huge difference. Pull away is super perky, you know, especially from standstill pull away is, oh, it's on single motor, dual motor, here we go. Yeah, now we're talking. So dual motor pull away, yeah. She goes. Promise I'm doing 15 miles an hour. I absolutely wasn't doing anything like 20 mile an hour within a few seconds then. Poor old Rob's like trailing behind me back there. Little sneak peek behind me, guys. Got a Andy Kirby mid-motor kit coming up on the on the channel very soon. I can't even do the video in this mode because it's just it kind of throws you back a little bit, the dual motor. Do you want to race, mate? I reckon. No, I was just explaining on the video that it's just lurches you. It's hard to make the video because you're like jolting. That's in dual motor full power mode. But I reckon this would be, that's a 500 watt mid-drive 48 volt. I reckon I'd still give you a good race if you pedalled that as hard as you can. I don't pedal at all. I think we just need to see it anyway. What do you reckon? on go, yeah? So, no, this is just, yeah, this is not any kind of scientific reasoning of any kind. It's just, yeah, I mean, that goes well, that ride's nice, but curious. If you pedal and I don't pedal then, well, I'm probably going to run over this lady with her dog and push her in the road. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, it's just easy really. Poor old Rob's like pedalling away and I'm just sitting here in comfort. This thing's got a lot of torque when it kicks both motors in, it really has. Awesome, another amazing bike from Lankeleisi, it really is. I mean, what else? You've got really chunky forks, pretty decent looking rear shock, 7-speed Shimano. It's just, what is it that it hasn't got? There isn't really. It's just, yeah, like Rob says, it's spot on. It's got everything that you need. Yeah, you're going to get really good range out of this one, guys. You can use a pedal assist, you can use it with or without throttle, you can keep it locked to 15, or you can unlock it off-road or in a country where the laws allow, and it will smash somewhere around 30 mile an hour with ease. I think we should see what 15 mile an hour feels like. 15 mile an hour, guys. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Okay. Front wheel burnouts on the Lankeleisi X3000 Max. Right guys, we are gonna see if I can max out the top speed on this. This road is slightly uphill in the direction we're going, but yeah, let's see what it does. Full throttle, let's go. Dual motor mode, 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. Managed to hit 15.5 miles an hour then. I'm going to edit it so it looks like I'm doing 30, but obviously I'll never do that on the road and condone breaking the law. Right guys, we've come over to my local bike park just to give this a little bit of abuse. Nothing crazy. It's absolutely, there's puddles everywhere. It's been raining non-stop for a week in England. We're just going to run this over a few rock gardens and bits and bobs, just, you know, give you guys a heads up whether this thing is going to fall to bits or whether it is good quality. Which I've no doubt it is from what I've seen of Lankeleisi, but we need to double check that. So let's get straight into it.
Feel like a stone in a well. No one can find me here. Pretending it's not it all in, so I can just stay in here. You know what's even worse? It's me who made you run away for good. You left me alone. No words, goodbyes, just drones. And you've been moving on. No scars, no taint, just bones.
Right, let's go and ask some cows what they think. Do you reckon if I give him some grass, he might give me some feedback on the bike? Please don't kick me, Mr. Cow. Do you want some grass? No? No. Yeah, we've got 3 big hills. We're just going to see whether this smashes it going up big hills at the bike park. They never come out big on the video, do they? People make some really dumb comments. I could get up there easy. Yeah, maybe so. I'm not denying that people can't, but they're pretty big hills, you know. This is a good test to see whether, for the people thinking about buying a bike who live in a hilly area, just to show how easy this dual motor bike gets up hills, because it is good. So we're just going to go up various different big hills and see what this thing can do. Let's go. Right, at the top of hill number 1. Flying down the hill. Definitely a big hill. I could just about see Rob from there. Let's go. Bit of wheel spin. A little bit of light pedalling. Yeah. Smashing it up the hill with ease. Super easy. Flying along, throttle only. And across the cow finish line. Right, let's go do another hill. Huge hill in front of us. Do you know what? I'm not going to get a run up actually. I think it would be a better test if I start from standstill on this huge hill. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Very, very stony. Oh, she's really steep, really stony. A lot of e-bikes struggle getting up this from a standstill. But we have smashed it. Yeah. Flying along. Oh, I just went through a cow dung. Flying into cow doomage. Right. I'm not sure whether I'm going to attempt this huge, huge hill. This one's really steep, guys. Really, really steep. Going to cut through the shrubbery. Oh, twigs, branches. I've done this on probably only 1 or 2 bikes, and it normally ends in disaster or me falling off, but I'm not even sure if it's open or closed, this feature. Oh well, let's go. Opened or closed, we're going for it. Oh, I've lost speed already. Yeah, come on. That'll do. I made it 3/4 of the way up. It didn't do bad. That is a really steep hill. And I was not in the right gear, I was in the highest gear when I realised I was approaching it, but I think it done alright. Right guys, thanks for watching this little video. Hope you enjoyed it on the Lankeleisi X3000 Max dual motor. Sick little bike, to be honest. It's durable as anything, isn't it? It's got really robust looking, chunky hydraulic brakes, forks, suspension, frame, welding's good. They're good quality. I do think these bikes are, you know, if you want something durable and good quality, Lankeleisi is the way to go at the moment. They're a good brand. So check out their links in the description. Check out my Raffle because the odds are ridiculous. I'm not saying this, guys. I'm like, someone's going to get an absolute bargain at 100 to 1 odds at this current time, and it is ending soon. Someone has got a really good chance if you enter the raffle winning what is about a £1,400 fat tyre e-bike with torque sensing pedal assist. So don't forget to check that out as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, a comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in a video soon. Take it easy.